All right, now I put in the hinges, or what you say, I don't know, inside here. And this one I hopefully did a little bit bigger, because this is the one you're going to flip. So I made this a little bit stronger. So I hope that it will stand time. So now I can take my pages and put into these hinges and start decorating this side and all this stuff. So from a bit of cardboard to this, I'm pretty satisfied so far. I made another, no, I will show you in another video. I already made album that started to work itself out of its boundaries, but I think it went okay. So just now I'm pretty pleased, and I hope it will be to the end.